know, OJ.
OJ.
Outlaw Jr.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Yes guys, look where we are. Oh, okay. I don't remember it being like that last time. All boxed up and everything.
What?
Yeah.
I got one. I see it, man.
Okay. So yes guys, we are back here.
Yeah, so I put on some
Okay,
gate.
you see. Yeah, there's a
put on some
pen.
gate and put in the flooring now.
Yeah,
Alright, that's everything there.
yeah. Gate and flooring and the pipes to wash out,
We don't know that.
to go down in the pit.
You know, the stuff like that, so. The stuff that's in there.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Yeah. So pick over there. So pick over there.
Yes, man. What's your limit now?
Can you not leave it on here?
What is it?
So look guys, pig pen is there. The pig pen there. And there's pigs over there. One over there.
2, 3, 4.
How many pigs?
12 per pig.
Oh my gosh, look.
Everybody else see all this up.
See one pig here.
I'll see you tomorrow.
A pig. One pig there. See the slaughterhouse. You guys have seen this already, right? Slaughterhouse. The pig there. Pig there. And quite a few pigs over here. Don't disturb them, please. Just leave them be. So see one there. Hear footsteps, see one there. And see one. You see one just is laying down. Camouflaged in the tree root, near the tree root. Yeah. In there. Grunting and making noise. And one here. Can you see him? Just about. So Outlaw right there. So guys, it's not big, it's just 2 pens, right? But you know, you start off small and then you add and then you add and you add. But you know, the most important thing is that you start. I know some people say, oh, it looks small. Yes, it's just 2 pens in this one, 2 sides of it. But like I say, you start small and you add on as you, you know, as you grow, you add on and you add on. So better to start small. Better to start full stop. You start full stop. Add again, yeah. But you have to make a start. Make the start is the most important thing. Piggy there.
Same big. B-Rock, that's it. I want a young one, that's it. Young female, that's it. Alright, that one, 2 cells like that. Yeah, start with.
The one there.
Yeah, the one ready for multiply, man. Breed that, that's it. B-Rock, that's it. A brown one there, see there? Yeah, man, the man. B-Rock is the same brad?
Yeah.
And the man, that's 2 man right there. B-Rock, you know. Yeah, man, so have them about the place, man.
So look, guys, look what I've seen.
Yeah, man, pear.
Young pear.
Young pear.
Can you just?
So better than pear ready. We have to think over there. Ready for
Yeah. Can you see, guys? Can you see them? I don't know if they. Yeah, they see it there. Young pear.
Hey, look at this.
See them?
Look at the pumpkin around. The pumpkin, is it?
That's this pumpkin.
See there?
Oh yeah. Look. Why is it running up so high like
Yeah,
this?
look at the tree.
Look.
It's a pumpkin that's in there. That's the sugar bean there.
Where? Ah.
Beans. Beans.
Yeah. Oh yeah, see them. Yes.
Beans there.
Yeah, see them. Yeah.
Yeah,
There's some up there.
beans.
Yeah.
Yeah, pear bean them there. See them.
So
Try one there.
you can't go hungry around here, you know.
Where?
You can't go hungry around here.
No, I do them something there. If you're thirsty right now, Papa Kane and don't do that.
You cannot be hungry.
No, we don't run that something there.
We got pig. What else we got around here now? Goat tie up.
Fence like where them and put boat down. Go and go.
You be carrying a little more from this, innit? Oh yeah, look.
Yeah.
Mango.
Everything right there unreaching.
Innit?
Everything is that unreach.
You cannot hungry around here. Is this Neesberry? Ah, I wonder if it's in it. I like Neesberry.
Loaded.
Yeah, very loaded. This tree is loaded. Neesberry.
But them person are dead for younger.
No man.
It's my barefoot over the pig pen. Barefoot like grew up, watch it. Okay, I'm here. Right now it's the pig pen there. Here's the thing in there, man. Okay, that sound better. Yes, I know these things.
Okay.
I hear you, sir. Yes.
Chimmy the cat, the kitten.
Food.
I'm hungry.
No, you can't give bread pussy. Kitten, no, you can't get kitten.
Oh my God.
No, you can't get kitten.
What's about kitten? You don't want him?
Exactly shit with it. Is that alright?
Oh God.
Can you pet him if you don't want to take him home?
Like Jesus.
Mighty God.
Wait, you get out of him. I'm on spot.
No, I'm not 3 months from.
Not that.
No, I'm not 3 months from.
I'm full.
No, I'm not 3 months from. Deal this.
Alright.
That's it. Now what? You don't need you again. You feel sorry for him. You. What's your dog?
Who left him? I'm just here, man.
Breaking it up for him.
I hear them play music around there.
Tell us some people, I think we should carry my cat with me.
He said he's not taking it. People, he said he's not taking it. You see how he was loving to the cat, and the cat, he said he's not taking the puss home.
You can't get on the puss, you know, I'm not going to have time for it.
We don't have the time for it. I said yes, but he said no.
Yeah, but I'm taking this in the bus. I'm not going to have time for you. I don't want to so far.
Yeah, well that's the right thing. So people, yes, we left our retirement round town, and look, upper yard, as Outlaw says, we left empty-handed. We left empty-handed. By that I mean we didn't walk with a kitten. We didn't walk with a puss. I said yes, let's take it. I will take it. I said I will take it. Outlaw said no. Why did you say no?
You know the place there where we live. Animals not allowed.
It's not really an animal place, yeah.
Yeah, it's not really an animal place, and you know everything's set up in the streets here and there, and you're out there and more times, and you know I have my yard there and animals suffer. Yeah. We don't need that.
Yeah.
I'm serious. Me go look for you. No one then.
No,
I'm not going to dead for him by the time I reach. Mommy said I'll give him something to reach.
Yeah. Guys, you should have seen them.
Yeah.
The kitten was right there when Outlaw was eating his dinner. So every one for me, one for you. One for me, one for you.
Yeah. So you know we think we take your little one. I was thinking that man, long time we stay so we take your little kitten and little puppy. They make us something then. We always have them as a little pet or group.
I am not an animal person. I've never liked animals, not even cats or dogs. But the kitten was sweet, and I said, yeah, we could have put him on. But maybe, you know, maybe later.
Yes, and mommy has something to carry him go on.
Yes.
Say me no want no adoption, just take him. No sir. Yeah, to go cat. You know everything.
So no kitten to bring home, guys.
Don't worry about it. Maybe we can see what I want when we go back up there, you know.
We give you follow-ups.
Yes, yeah, get the follow-ups and yeah, you know everything go.
What's the kid's name? You didn't name him.
No, I never named him. Because we know the Puss from start. So
Puss.
now we'll get my little name still, because when they get to team and
I know, OJ.
OJ.
Outlaw Jr. The kitten's name is OJ.
Yeah, don't say OJ. Don't say OJ.
OJ,
yeah,
but it stands for Outlaw.
They didn't have to get enough good so deep in the thing.
Yeah, OJ.
OJ, that's OJ.
Alright, good.
Did you tell him about one already?
But it's OJ.
Alright, OJ.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Alright,
so yeah, people go back and look for OJ. Yeah, easy, you know?
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.